everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about this Apple TV. For those of you who's curious what this does, it's similar to the Roku, the Fire Stick from Amazon, okay, but it's an Apple product, so if you're into the Apple Eco, this will be good for you. Regular price, you can see here, it's $179, and currently there's like 39% discount, bringing the price down to $109. As you can see, this is a newer model, like the 2021, and it does have 4K resolutions or compatibility, and with 14,000 reviews rating and 5 out of 5. And here they do have two versions, 32 gigabyte and 64. Depending on your needs, if you want more space to download stuff like that, then you might consider getting a 64 gigabyte. 64 gigabyte, it's 129, which is still not bad at all. If it's me, I would consider buying the higher storage than the 32. Okay, this is the excuse me. This is the remote that it comes with, and this is basically just the back end of it. This is for the power outlet, and this is for the HDMI, and this is just for the Ethernet cable where you connect it to your router. That's the remote. Looks really nice. Pretty much it. You can series 2. Let's see. Let's go down more and more. Products details. You can see it's Apple. It's Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, HDMI Type A, 4K, and it is compatible and is supported for Netflix, HBO Max, Amazon Prime, Disney Plus. And it does have Dolby Atmos, for immersive sounds, as if you're, like, for example, if you're watching helicopters, you can feel that it's right above your head, stuff like that. Okay, and it does have like the A12 Bionic chips. And here we go. Let's see all the stuff we mentioned already, and you can also use AirPlay to share your photos, videos, and much more from your iPhone, iPad, and Mac on your TV. Okay, so here we go. What else should we talk about? That's pretty much it. So if you're looking for an Apple TV, this is there's a lot of saving for you. Other than that, I hope you like the video, and I hope that you have saved a lot of money. If by any chance the channel has helped you save money, or or if you find something useful with the channels, feel free to give a like and make sure you subscribe for more videos like this. Okay. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.